Okay na po, start na tayo.
Kaya, sige, babasahin ko na itong kasaysayan na ito para maintindihan sa sambayan ng Pilipino. At maganda ito pag-usapan ngayon dahil wala nang politika, wala nang siraan, kasi mas matagal ng sira. Para maintindihan ito, basahin kong buo para maintindihan sa lahat at pati yung verification. Mga kapilipino, ito po ang last will and testament ni Mr. Ferdinand Edralin Marcos. That I am Ferdinand Edralin Marcos with the post of codename E 777 and spiritual King Solomon of Israel and legal age of Merid and Imelda Romaldes Marcos, Y. Ungpin, President of the Philippines Island, of general holder of the following asset of the properties entrusted to me by the internal creator for the benefits of the people of the Philippines Island to wit financial provenances with E account FM01-77 word of 120, di ko alam kung ilang trilyon ito, napakadaming zero, didiretso ko na sa baba, an account number of 99391 dash 3243 4-9 word of dollar that directly intended for the welfare and the benefits of the people of the Philippines Island. B. Land provinces with original certificate of title number 779 under survey plan number 11-4509 with constant measurement of 451 million square kilometer of the total of area covering of the land of Luzon to the land of Sabah and registered under the Land of Registration Act number 496 in accordance with the provision of ratified by and between of United States of America and Spain dated December 10, 1898 held in Paris, France with distinguished men made an old pretend from time of King Bernardo Carpio following both truth cheating on the Spanish colonies until bought by Dr. Jose Rizal, illegally sold by Spain to the United States of America, illegally sold by General Emilio Aguinaldo to the U.S. authorized and bought by the undersigned of the United States of America worth of 20 billion or 10 metric tons of gold bars, thus preserve benefits of World Trade Center in New York, City of USA that they clearly intended for the welfare of the benefits of the people of the Philippines Islands. C. Miscellaneous authority providences such as number 1, authority to praise and depress against existing matter and extensive account. 2. Authorize and monetize and demonetize any international and local currencies. 3. Authority to lock and unlock against existing mother and extensive account. 4. Authorities to cease and resurrect against existing mother and extensive account. 5. Authorities and represent and expel existing mother and extensive account. 5. Authorities represented and expel signature and foreign authorities and the undersigned. Number 6. Authorities and mediate indirect international mover against existing mother and extensive account. Number 7. Authorities on audit and sustain audit against existing mother and extensive account. Number 8. Authority and modify and revive against existing mother and extensive account. Number 9. Authorities to hold and redeem without the monetaries of aforesaid existing mother and extensive account, and authorities and keeper, audit, distributor, and arranger of the physical precious commodities such as gold, diamond, silver, platinum. And number 10, authority to engrave and engage printing of monetary currencies worldwide after having duly sworn to in accordance with the law hereby that history. Ito na yung history. That the undersigned was sold, holder, and seed asset on properties that entrusted, truth, channel, and event from King Bernardo Carpio or spiritual judge spiritual judge Samson of Israel, how shared this testimony over said treasure and the Philippines Island through papers of this legal deposit under White Mongolian account, and how acquired from foreign traders and Alpha Omega ring with an old text printed papers from time of Adam into Noah, into Prophet Moses, Judge Samson, King David, and King Solomon of Israel, that the undersigned thereinto will be transmitted directly in Anthony Santiago Martin with international recognized code name of number Spiritual Wonder Boy, and I am a 01 and spiritual King David of Israel and legitimate husband of Lynn, Grace, and H. Medina with recognized code name and number Spiritual Maria Cristina and C1, C2, and Spiritual Bathsheba of Israel with those treasure we back time from year 965 were agreed upon and executed by the between of King Carpio and foreign traders such of Mongols, Korean, Indian, Malays, Japanese, and Chinese, indicated that I'm chains of trade and loan from the Philippines Island which The island were very rich from physical gold, silver, diamond, and platinum mines that those traders must be paid twice of their actual loan. Materials and simple is one piece of gold weights of a gram must be paid and agreed. So such nature of trading of the Philippines island until the plan to rock and invite of the Philippines islands of from of the time being foreign invaders throughout Mongolia and Chinese counterparts, where they retrieved some remaining papers left by King Carpio, stating that before of offer sacrifice to Black and Heather, Rolling Stone, and empty Sierra Madre in the town of Montalban, a nearby town of Rodriguez Rizal province of he left those treasure to the people of the Philippines island of the stud of Dalicatuna or Maria Banahaw and Lady Saman of empty Banahaw in Quezon province of spiritual Delilah, to take charge in the treasure over said treasure, and as time has passed of Mongolia in age of the Philippine treasure invaded more land of the Asia region with the talk unpredictable empire of the landed of truth Asia region the prime years of 1206 1294 they invaded that landed more land of the western region, including of the Holy Land and Eastern Europe of some of in remote area of the American continent ante Mongolia ended their recompetition of more land of the world, living said Carpio documents in China after he received of downfall on year 1290 until the Western civilization correspond in invasion of more land of outside of their area of the Spain was one of among European expedition and the adventure of conquest land outside of Spain, first in Latin America and then unrepeated in the Philippines islands. Spain other European counterpart learned that those Mongolian treasure of the use of to be as retrieved from Eastern Europe of west of Mongolia riders and didn't now to the treasure of whole reflect Carpio treasure those European invaders. Medyo mahaba-haba ito. With blood compact by and between King Si Katuna and King Sigala of Bohol and General Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Spain of Mexico dated March 16, 1565, recovered some Carpio treasure and Bohol province of acquired of Milikia Bili or Maria Cristina as Lady Saman of Antique Canlaon Canlaon in Negros province throat of de la Cana to said from Maria Cristina and Maria Banahaw to recover from the ruins and destruction of pay of the land using the same treasure of intended from the only of the Filipinos and time of again of Spain of conquer of the island living pain and hairbreadth among the Filipino until Dr. Jose Rizal our spiritual prophet Moises of Israel born of spiritual David in the great of creator action yung Rizal until the ended of scholastic profession in the University of Santo Tomas living suffering under pain and distress of others pain them and praise until he met Maria Clara del Prado or transferred spiritual power of Maria Banahaw the hand of other Alpha Omega ring living of the message of that must be recovered documents of King Carpio in custody of Chinese Emperor Kuakutsu Dem Rizal Island when of the Hong Kong of where Emperor Guangzhou visited in Hong Kong that under the custody of British. Dr. Jose Rizal successful guest of that Carpio documents that they fled from Hong Kong to European cities that the Madrid, Vienna, London, Paris, and Berlin, which carrying some miraculous gold given by Graciana de los Santos and Maria Cristina from Mt. Colonon, that having more than the 3 trillion tons of miraculous gold mines. After Jose Rizal, European travel of the wind back in the island of Spain, ruler will be secure in and suffered pain of the persecution of the Spain regime until they decided to execute death penalty. Truth gunshot of December 30, 1896 in Bagumbayan, now Lunya, Maynila, and before Dr. did in a fortunate execution, he left those treasure that people of the Philippines island that stood to the treasure overseas, but the treasure of Carpio and Rizal to Maipipanya and Coronado Castalijo, now as sinukuan and spiritual Maria material recognized mother of Jesus and truth his death of people of the Philippines island firm of to be revolt against Spain colonies and from death of Dr. Jose Rizal death execution until obtained temporary liberation on June 12, 1898 Filipino Revolution fought again Spaniard until the overthrow in the island of but of the American authorities and entered of the island after their ratification of treaty with Spain under of treaty of the Paris dated December 10, 1898 in Paris, France of Spain sold an island of the United States and America worth of 20 million American dollar with on old Philippines map documents printed by King Carpio, and said map was entitled to Titulo de Propiedad numero 4136 and time of against of the American authorities reoccupy of the island using that treaty. In the absence of the people representative and ultimately General Emilio Aguinaldo Sol Titulo de Propiedad numero 4136 but been bought by Dr. Jose Rizal to spend in the sum of 20 million American dollar. That cost of soberly for Dr. Jose Rizal to accuse by the same regime from Spain, Monterrey to Spain Governor General in the island subdivision rebellion against Spain regime in the islands, and they immediately cancelled and terminated all registered properties of Spain in the island, including Titulo of Propiedad numero 4136 and the initiative of the survey of the land of survey plant of number 11-4509 by virtue of the mandate of instruction made of President William McKinley to General Robert Torren and President William H. Toll of the Philippines, Commission of the Survey of the Island of in order and assure their legal occupation of in the land of the after of the resurvey and the island of the measure approximately more than 451,000 square kilometer covering of the land of Luzon of the island of Sabah, and by virtue of the All of Land Registration Act of 496 enacted by the Philippines Commission led by President William Toll, and the Philippines Island was entitled to original certificate of title OTC 779 number land of survey plant of 11-4509 and registered under the Land of Registration Act of number 496 of the American modified of developed some educational system via lifestyle among of the Filipino until World War II accord and inexplicably of the excess power of the decided to the after World War I and Adolf Hitler, some of Ignacio Enrique Coronado at Traitor of Dr. Jose Rizal, peace alike, ito pala yung traidor, as alike of peace of alike, who when in Paris of the claim Carpio treasure for himself, managed Germany to a global horror and the associated with Italy and Japan. The world was horrified by the access of power and the looted and the alleged treasure of Europe without knowing that those were of remain of Carpio treasure, and Dr. Rizal also saved Alpha Omega Ring and Madrid, Spain, of other pertinent treasure in Spain that they deposited by Dr. Rizal under White Vatican account, and the assets of power were delivered. This true treasure of the Philippines island without knowing by the Filipino people the truth of the monetary of Jin Tomoyuki Yamashita, son of Judge Alfonso Pihao, who entrusted by the undersigned of thick set of the presidency from years of 1970 to 1983. Ang ganda pala nito. Si Yamashita, son of Judge Alfonso Pihao, ulitin ko. Alfonso Pihao, who entrusted by undersigned to take seat of presidency from year 1970 to 1983. Yan yung pag-upo ni Presidente Marcos. Magkalinawan tayo ngayon. While the undersigned was under processional step to deposit under time version some multiple stock of physical precious commodities saved by King Carpio and Dr. Rizal for the benefits of the Filipino people that caused to be brought the undersigned as seem and downward against of the Filipino peoples. Some those treasure were the high by the as of power and still hidden in the mountainous proper of the sum of under the sea of the Philippines island that cannot ever be allowed to touch, to retrieve and recover, sponsored by the maturities of the multiple certified deposit by the undersigned for the Filipino people after World War II through in case of 4136, some of the country claimant to said alleged looted and lost treasure by the excess of power of that properties of King Bernardo Carpio and Dr. Jose Rizal were demanded recovered of to be retrieved for their benefits of profit of the sometimes of year 1945 International Court of Justice decide to grant petition for certiorari as to demand of the retrieval of such alleged lost and looted treasure of the assess power of the giving all claimant, petitioner and us that date of 30 years from the time of execution said case of the hands of Elis Sibuer in the word and the retrieve for the benefits of their country and the undersigned effectively when of the empty Sinukuan town of Arayat, Pampanga province to meet Ipipanya Coronado Castillejos or Maria Sinukuan and the handed of over of the Alpha Omega ring of the undersigned of the sum map of the hidden Carpio and Rizal treasure of the undersigned. Mahaba talaga. And the survey of the Yamashita to hear of the successful obtain of Royanda M. Ribis of Maria Makiling and identified as Queen Esther Persia and Israel of the until of this undersigned successfully gains of office of the presidency of November 30, 1965, on the undersigned of was undertaken of recover those Philippine treasure of the said those documentary treasure abroad on said back up where they still live in the Philippines island until those petitioner filed of demand of letter against of the undersigned of the return of them. Those recovered alleged treasure that the undersigned deposited in the sum of Bank of Europe, Asia, America, including the World Bank Group of the undersigned depended with the right of the by virtue of that international court rules of the undersigned obey. International court ruling that this treasure were intended for the benefits of the people of the Philippines island and the undersigned of successfully against a victory overhanding of bridge when of the international court rules of the reaffirm of the conclusiveness or those certified deposit of the Filipino people of the plunder or petitioner never contested their pledge of before of the statute of the International Court on the allow to hand Sweden of the mountainous of the undersea area of the Philippines island and the undersigned allow their pledges to hands for nothing sometime on year 1980s. Because those the treasure were identified and recognized by the International Court of Carpio and Rizal, treasure located on the Filipino people and at some time of year of 1976 of the under both the Philippines island, which the original certificate of title number 779 under survey plant of 11-4509 with constant measurement of 4,051 square kilometer of the total of land of area covering of the land of Luzon, the island of Sabah on the registered under the Land of Registration Act of 496 in accordance with of the provision of ratified by the between of United States of America as of Spain dated December 10, 1898, held in Paris and France, worth of 20 million excessive from the original of dollar of 100 million. Officially price of the price of General Ford and undersigned of the White House, Washington DC, USA, of the agreed of the recognized their lost asset and properties recovered of the undersigned as asset of the properties of the Filipino peoples until identified as asset of properties of King Carpio Truth undersigned of some time of year 1976 agreed upon of the executed of the contract of the agreement made and executed by the between the undersigned of H.M. Queen Elizabeth II in England and the Buckingham of Palace of London, England, which the living took the Queen Elizabeth physical ancient ring of Alpha Omega ring of some miscellaneous agreement made of the executed by and between of undersigned of the United Nations Organization of the Committee of 300 Hill of UN Headquarters, New York, USA. Thereafter tragic incident of the assassination of Senator Noynoy Benigno Aquino Jr. sometime of year 1983 was brought a storm of presidency that caused for the undersigned of leave post to Corazon Juanco Aquino, how one truth cheating and apparently revolt without knowing that the undersigned was only entrusted of the office of the presidency judge to Judge Pihao, and undersigned didn't know everything about evil deed of Judge Pihao to the nation, like taking 40 million credit to the World Bank Group using a secret deal by the World Bank itself without reaffirmation of the Philippine Congress, and through this the undersigned suffer more depressed and disappointed among the Filipino who I wish to set economic promise from there. Malinaw, puro magnanakaw. Isipin mo, secret deal, 40 million dollar. Diyos ko po. Ganon na pala tayo. Ano ba yan? Recover upon streak of global crisis to be expected to come in future, but still executed through a legacy of documents that intending all memories of said deposit of the Filipino people. General intention, those found upon memories on year 2000 and beyond shall reconsidered to be intended for the following developing program for the Filipino prophets. Ito na. Basahin ko na ito kasi ito na yung sinasabi ni Imelda. Baka nga mayroon dito. Titingnan ko lang. Number 1, livelihood program to set and engage Filipino into entrepreneurship program. Number 2, scholarship program to assist all scholars to perform the school work from primary to college level. Number 3, health care program to assist all Filipino beneficiaries to maintain good health. Number 4, disability retirement pension program to assist all disabled retired under pension Filipino beneficiaries to claim these benefits. Number 5, national infrastructure and urban and rural venture program such to concrete road, bridges, school, building, hospital, building relocation, building and railway system such ordinary railway, light railway, system of builder train. Number 6, agricultural and irrigation development program to assist all farmers and others agriculture workers to maintain and sustain their demand of needs. Number 7, mining program to be chosen by the above mention of authorities parties. Number 8, panghuli, industrial and other economic matters to assist more Filipino to perform workforce throughout the Philippines Island for their daily needs sa araw-araw na pangangailangan. Wala po ditong nakalagay na magtayo ka ng foundation para kukurapin. Malinaw. Ngayon, mayroong mahalagang habilin ang hero na presidente ng Pilipinas na namatay, hindi yung buhay. They are designed to hereby abolish at all cause and effect Miss Patricia R.S. Trinidad acclaimed Imelda Marcos, Mr. Fidel Valdez Ramos, Ignacio Enrique Coronado, and Judge Alfonso Pihao, Alvincent Gokong Wi siguro to, Bersales, Pihao, an appointed trustee, General Juan Ponce Andrele, Mr. Losiotan, Mr. John Gokong Wi, Mr. Henry C. Sr., Mr. Jaime Augusto Sobel de Ayala, Mr. Eduardo M. Cuanco, Mr. Ferdinand Marcos Y. Santiago acclaimed Bongbong Marcos, which the original one was already died and sometime on year 1975. Miss Amy, bakit Lacson? Miss Amy Lacson Santiago, Jaime Marcos, Mr. Demetrio Bondoc Garcia, Miss Irene Cuanco Santiago Irene Marcos, and other trusted name recognized by undersigned but local and foreign trustee including the Republic of the Philippines. Pati pala Pilipinas ito tanggal. Including the Republic of the Philippines and all majorities and above said asset and properties shall hold are relatively by decided by the undersigned to modified in the future of all accounts, either mother accounts and extensive account shall at all legal course and effect be automatically modified, interlocked on or before the entrance of year 2000 in view modified mother account to be handled solely by Antonio Santiago Martin or hindi na si Santiago Martin Tiram ang spiritual wonder boy, or dalawa na dahil si Santiago Martin ay matagal nang patay. Source by Anthony Santiago Martin or spiritual wonder boy for benefits of the people of the Philippines Island and all aforesaid fiscal maturities shall that all legal costs for an effect by automatically transmitted to any local registered bank in the Philippines Island or the bank of reactive and established by Anthony Santiago Martin. Acknowledgement. As the undersigned agreed of this agreement with full will good faith of the authority and as critically heard Imanesi petition, the undersigned of hereby giving this acknowledgement to Anthony Santiago Martin with international recognized code name of number Spiritual Wonder Boy and EM01 and Spiritual King David Israel and his legitimate wife Lynn Grace the second Medina with recognized code name and number of Spiritual Maria Cristina and C1 Sito and Spiritual Bathsheba of Israel, duly authorized signature to execute and to exercise full right and authority exercised by the undersigned of their better mind for people of the Philippines Island and opposition or resistance from the undersigned or subject to the invoked and no physical precarious commodities, physical and automatic left or right thumb print from the signature and official seal of the office of the President and notarized seal or internally required as to prove the undersigned identically and the undersigned only required Anthony Santiago Martin to present, submit to the United Nations Diplomatic Office of the Philippines Island copy of the certificate of live birth on said birthmark, such as him small of the left corner of his nose and small patch of crab placed under back on his left neck and underside should recognize, reconsidered and reconfirmed in validity and authenticity of in this term either of original duplicate form in subject to submit of United Nations Diplomatic Office of the Philippines Island or the partner record contains candidacy. This copy is made to the base or ability using OCR software and then able to checking for error. There are positions some which are understamped, which of the bad placed on the documents. We cannot read of all those places which cannot read correctly or designated, and there may still be small error from the software of our not knowing the actual spelling of the many name of this place. Repair the original copy from when we created this more available vision. It witness and facts whereof of the hereto sign this from without of witness this December 20, 1988 at this Buckingham Place, London, Great Britain. E.H. President Edralin Marcos signed in last hand. Triple E 77. Ito, magkaintindihan tayo. Hindi ko pala napakita yung perma. Natapos ko na pagbasa. Iisa lang, si Ferdinand lang ang pumipirma, pero 6 na pirma ito. At si Ferdinand Marcos, kahit anong dokumento na pipirmahan, hindi siya pumipirma ng iisang pirma lang. Laging last yan, may triple A at triple 7. Laging 6. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa last will. Mayroon kasi binirify natin sa maka-account na ito at tumama naman. Doon muna tayo sa katanungan ng sambayanang Pilipino. Ano ba talaga ang totoo na nakatagong kasaysayan? Dito sa last will, Certificate of Title OTC 779. Ngayon, ito ay nakasaad ay Washington DC, USA sa Board of Governors of Federal. Nakailang sulat na tayo nito. Ito yung last natin na sulat sa Board of Governors ng Federal na humingi na tayo ng assistant para sa invitation sa totoong tao na dapat mag-implement. Kasi nung unang sulat, sumagot naman ang Board of Governors na ito nga ngayon, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba talaga ang totoong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas at ano ba talaga tong titulo na nandoon, tama ba talaga ito o mali? Kasi bakit dito ay nandyan ang mga taga-ibang bansa ang nagsasabi na ito pala ay nabili ng 20 million. O nakita na. Ito yung kasagutan sa Board of Governors ng Federal Reserve. Baka naman sasabihin nyo, galing Quiapo to. Ayusin nyo, pagtingin. Hindi ako gumagastos para sa sarili ko, kung hindi, ginagastosan ko to para sa kabuuan ng tao sa buong mundo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas to. Para maging malinaw tayo na magsasalita tayo na mayroon tayong konkretong ebidensya. Ngayon, sino yung magpo-question nito? Po-questionin ninyo itong papel na to. Pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina. Mayroon naman dito nakasaad. Pwede kayong magtanong kay Jerome Pule. Kay Jerome Pule, chairman ng Board of Governors ng Federal Reserve System, 33 Liberty Street, New York, 145 USA, RTN 010-01-20-8 of New York. NY10045. Ito yon. Kung diskumpiyado kayo, i-verify ninyo ito. Matagal na pong tapos to ang verification. Last February pa. Pati kabuuhan ng mga kumpanya na niloloko dito sa buong bansa. Ang nakalagay dito sa amendment, at ito, dapat tayong matakot kasi hindi pala to nagmula pa sa tao, kung hindi ito nagmula pa sa kaninunuan nating lahat na hindi tao. Nandun binasa ko kanina, sana naintindihan ng taong bayan. Nagsimula pa kay Moises, kay King Carpio, kay King David, bago dapat iniwan para sa taong bayan sa mundo. Hindi pakinabangan at lulukuhin ang mga sambayanang mahihirap. Nakakalungkot po isipin na ang Pilipinas pinamumugaran na ng panluloko. Masakit man isipin, pero ito ang kasaysayan na nangyari sa atin lahat ngayon. Instead, lahat ng politiko, lahat ng presidential na nagdaan ay dapat ilalantad sa taong bayan na walang halong kasinungalingan. Pero ano ang ginawa sa atin ngayon? Pero higit akong naniniwala sa hatol ng Panginoon, hindi hatol ng taong bayan. Dahil yan ay tao lamang at hindi nila alam kung ano yung ginagawa sa sarili nila. Tandaan ninyo, sa binasa ko kaninang makasaysayan, hindi po ito nagtatapos sa araw na ito, hindi po ito nagtatapos doon sa eleksyon. Ngayon wala na tayong politikang pag-uusapan, ay ito ay tuloy-tuloy na ipaliwanag sa mga taong hindi nakakaintindi. Pero mas sinisiguro ko sa mga nakakita nito na mas marami ang nakakaintindi at maraming nakakaalam, ayaw lang magsalita. Kaya ito, ginawa natin, lumakas ang loob natin, ginawa natin, ipakita sa sambayanan kung ano man ang kahinatnan. Mas maigi yung nagsasalita ka na maintindihan sa taong bayan kung ano bang nangyayari. Bakit? Nandiyan na, natupad na ang sinasabi ng mga YouTuber na tinadhana daw. Pero ako hindi ako naniniwala. Hindi ako naniniwala. Bakit? Paano ako maniniwala? Ang sinulat ni Nostradamus ni Ritoque, puno sa kasinungalingan. Bakit puno sa kasinungalingan? Malinaw ang nakasulat ni Nostradamus. Mga bubo lang itong nag-YouTube. Inilagay pa nila yung buo, nababasa ng taong bayan. Kayo mga taong bayan, basahin ninyong maigi. Ang tao na mamuno sa atin ngayon, ayot sa gusto natin, ng nakatadhanang taong ito, ay isang inosenteng bata na pinanganak sa North Fair of Asia, sa Land of Promise. Wala pong pangalan na nakasulat doon na si FLM o kaya si BBM. Yun ang dapat hintayin natin. Huwag na tayong manghula ng pangalan na baka mamaya hindi naman tama, na pag-uugatan nung kasamaan ng damdamin ng taong bayan. Bakit? Ano ba ang inasahan sa taong bayan sa bawat pagpalit ng presidente? Sa bawat pagpalit ng maging leader ng ating bansa, sa bawat pagpalit ng maging leader ng ating syudad, senator, congressman, mayor, ano bang inasahan natin sa ating pagpalit? Di ba tayo umaasa na ang uupo ay dapat maiahon sa kahirapan, di ba laging pinagmamalaki sa mga tumatakbo, baguhin ko ang buhay mo at tutulungan kita para umasinso. Paano ba aasinso ang tao pag walang pera? Paano ba aasinso ang sambayanan kung walang pundo? Paano aasinso ang isang tao kung ang nagmamay-ari ng isang kumpanya ngayon ay hindi tunay na may-ari ang ginawa ng puro pagnanakaw lang sa loob ng kumpanya para sa sarili niya? Aasinso ba ang sambayanan? Aasinso ba ang manggagawa? Malinaw sa last will na nakasaad sa livelihood program na dapat magtayo na para isuporta sa pangangailangan sa araw-araw. Sa agriculture parang, ano bang naitulong natin? Halos triple ang abono. Ngayon, umaasa tayo nagpalit na, di ba? Congratulations sa lahat na bumoto noon sa nanalo. Dahil ako po, hindi po ako naniniwala na mabago ang bansa natin sa mga nananalong politiko. Bakit? Wala naman po sa kanila. Si Wonderboy na si King Anthony Santiago Martin Kiram matagal ng patay at yun hindi na-report sa Washington DC pero na-report na natin yan. Kaya lumabas na lahat yung mga dokumento. Si Haring Kiram, si King Anthony Santiago Martin, o ulitin ko uli, ay pinatay noong September 20, 1972 sa Pangyan, Sarangani. At yung pinaglilibingan ngayon, pagkalibing, anong ginawa para maitago? Binoldoser at ginawang palengke ngayon. Pero wag po kayo mag-alala. Kasi iyong anak po buhay. Si Santiago Martin Kiram ay siya po sa katauhan ni Sergeant Rodolfo Remasem Española. Ito na lang po tayo sa Infinity Report muna. Si King Anthony Santiago Martin Kiram, si Sergeant Rodolfo Remasem Española. Nariyan po. At ipaalala ko lang sa lahat, ang Land of Promise po ay hindi Pilipinas, kung hindi nag-iisa na lupa sa Mindanao. Ni kahit saang lugar sa Mindanao, basta ikaw ay umapak ng Mindanao, siya po ay Land of Promise. Hintayin po natin yung batang sinasabi. Dahil ako ang paniwala ko, ang Board of Governor ng Federal Reserve ay hindi po nagsisinungaling. Dahil kung ano nakasaad dito sa last will, dito tiningnan natin yung Mongolian account. Sino ba ang may-ari ng Mongolian account? Sino ba si Italiano? Andi dito po. Inulit ko lang. Ngayon, umpisahan ko muna sa kalupaan ng bansa natin. Unang tinanong natin sa last will dahil nakabungad, UTC 779, ano bang sabi sa Board of Governor ng Federal Reserve? Ito. Board of Governor ng Federal Reserve. Certified po ito. Ito po, certified po yan. Mamaya, pakita natin lahat yan. Ang nakasaad po dito, ownership of Mr. Chopisto Magsipok Española, codename Astaliano, and Mr. Rodolfo Rimasem Española. Siya po, si Rodolfo Rimasem Española, ay ang codename si King Anthony Santiago Martin Kiram. Now, ano po ang nangyari? Siya po ay inamindahan na noong 1985 kasi nung mamatay noong 1972 si Marcos po, na totoong Marcos, dahil ang Marcos po noong araw ay 7, alam po niya kung anong mangyayari. Ngayon, sa amendment po, pagkamatay ni Rodolfo Rimasem Española, codename King Anthony Santiago Martin Kiram, ito, baka di lumabasa. Sa Board of Governor ng Federal Reserve, ha? Ito. King Anthony Santiago Martin, si Rodolfo Rimasem Española, King Anthony Santiago Martin Kiram. Ngayon, ang bunsong anak naman na tinatawag si Genuine King ESM 01 and White Spiritual Wonder Boy Morning Star, Spiritual Boy with original Morning Star with original certificate of title number 779 under survey plan number 11 4509 with constant measure of 451,000 square kilometer of the total land of area covering of land of Luzon of the island of Sabah, registered land of Act 496 in UN, case of 4136 declared degree number 1139 as match. Ibig sabihin, tama po ito. Ibalik ko ulit. Nasaan ba nakalagay ito? Ito yan sa Laswell. Ayan, sa Laswell. Malinaw sa Laswell, di ba? OTC 779. Okay. Nasagot ko na isa-isa. Ngayon, ito tayo sa Infinite Report. Doon sa Laswell, ang original account ay White Vatican account of Mr. Jose Rizal and White Mongolian account of Mr. Chopisto Magsipok Española Kiram, account of Rodolfo Rimasem Española family origin King ESM, White Eagle account President Ferdinand Marcos, Holy Heaven Father account of Chopisto Magsipok Española Astaliano, HHFE 662011 2011 General account name. Authority urgent. Trusteeship original. BCGR EDFM of 12, ibig sabihin December 20, 1985. The codename origin. Santiago Martin Kiram as Rodolfo Rimasem Española, King Anthony Santiago Martin. Transferred authority codename Robert Sanchez Española, White Spiritual Wonder Boy Morning Star. Nature of origin documents. Date of transfer of authority is December 20, 1985. Observative name for SEBLP, Financial Authority Code Name of top secret of ESBLP, EM01 of Chopisto Magsipok Española. Ito para magkaalaman ng lahat. Bakit is ESBLP ang code name ng kumpanya sa buong bansa? Ito po ay Anthony Santiago Bagong Lipunan Program. Nandoon po